kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do fractions and decimals. Our learning objectives are fractions, type of fraction, fraction in lowest term, conversion of fraction, comparison of fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions, decimal number, comparison of decimal numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal number. So first is fraction. The word fraction means part of a whole. Fraction means part of a whole. When an object or the group of object is divided into equal part, each part is called a fraction. जब किसी एक पूरी चीज़ को whole को हम किसी part में divide करते हैं, so that part is known as a fraction. A fraction is written in the form of a upon b, where both a and b are natural numbers. In the fraction a upon b, a is called the numerator, the upper part is called numerator, and b is called the denominator. The lower part, that is known as denominator. For example, 1 upon 5, 7 upon 18, 20, 1 upon 47, etc. All these are fractions. Next is types of fractions. First is proper fraction. Of fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator is called the proper fraction. For example, 5 upon 7, 8 upon 9, 15 upon 29, etc. All these are proper fraction. In these fractions, the numerator is less than denominator. The numerator is less than denominator. So these are proper fraction. Next is improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to the denominator are called improper fraction. For example, 11 upon 5, 16 upon 9, 33 upon 13. All these are improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, a fraction which can be expressed as the sum of natural number and the proper fraction, is called the mixed fraction. It has two parts, whole part and one proper fraction part. For example, 2 1 by 5, 4 3 by 7, 7 1 by 3. All these are mixed fraction. It have whole part like here 2 and 1 by 5, one proper fraction part. Clear? Next, know it. Every mixed fractions can be written as improper fractions, and every improper fraction can be written as the mixed fraction. For example, 3 1 by 5, that is equals to 3 plus 1 by 5, that is 5 into 3 plus 1 upon 5, 16 upon 5. That is a mixed fraction to improper fraction. Next is unit fraction. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 11, 1 upon 75, all these are unit fraction. Next is decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called the decimal fraction, like 3 upon 10, 7 upon 100, 9 upon 1000. All these have denominator multiples of 10. These are the decimal fractions. Next is equivalent fractions. Fraction which indicate the same value are called equivalent fraction, like 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 8 by 12. All represent the same value. So all these are equivalent fractions. Next is like fractions. Fraction having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fractions. For example, 5 upon 19, 9 upon 19, 15 upon 19. All are having the same denominator 19. So they are like fractions. Next is unlike fractions. The fraction having different denominator are called unlike fraction. For example, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 3 by 8. All are having different denominator, so they are unlike fraction. Next is fraction in lowest term. A fraction is in lowest term if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. अगर numerator and denominator में 1 के अलावा कुछ भी common नहीं है, that means the fraction is in lowest form. In order to reduce the fraction to lowest term, we divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. For example, reduce 48 upon 136 to its lowest term. So first we will take out the HCF of 48 and 136, that is 8. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 8. So we will get 6 upon 17. That is the lowest form of given fraction. Next is conversion of fraction. First, convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Steps: first we find the LCM of denominator of all the given fraction. Now multiply each fraction by the suitable number so that to make the denominator of each fraction equal to LCM. Now we'll take an example. Convert the following fractions into like fractions: 5 upon 14, 3 upon 28 and 9 upon 35. So for that, first we'll take out the LCM of all the denominator, 14, 28 and 35. So LCM is 140. Now we have to make the denominator of all the fraction 140. So what we'll do? 5 upon 14, we'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So we'll get 15 upon 140. 3 upon 28, we'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. 15 upon 140, 36 upon 140. Now they have converted into like fraction because they are all having same denominator 140. Clear? Next is comparison of fractions. There are two methods to compare the fraction. First is cross multiplication method and another is by converting unlike fractions into like fractions. These are the two methods of comparing fractions. So first we'll take the cross multiplication method. Let a upon b and x upon y are two fractions. Then if a upon b is greater than x upon y, if and only if a into y that is greater than x upon b. Clear? A upon b will be less than x upon y when if only if a y means a or y का product है that is less than x and b. A upon b equals to x upon y if and only if a y equals to x b. Now we'll take an example. Compare the following fraction. First is 2 by 7 and 3 by 9. So we have to compare these fractions. We will use cross multiplication method. In this method we multiply the numerator of first fraction to the denominator of another fraction and the numerator of second fraction to denominator of first fraction. So 2 into 9 that is 18 and 3 into 7 that is 21. 18 is less than 21, so we'll say 2 by 7 is less than 3 by 9. Clear? Next, by converting unlike fraction to like fraction. In this method, first we convert unlike fractions into like fractions, then we compare like numerator. The fraction having the greater numerator will be greater than the fraction. We'll take an example. Compare the fraction 37 upon 150 and 8 upon 25. They are unlike fractions. First we will convert them to like fraction by taking the LCM of denominator. So 150 and 25 का LCM find out करेंगे, that is 150. Now we will make the denominator same. So suitable number से multiply करेंगे. Here first fraction denominator is already 150, so we will write it like 37 upon 150. Next 8 upon 25. So what we will do? LCM is 150, will divide by denominator, 25 से divide करेंगे, so we'll get 6. Now we'll multiply 6 with both the numerator and denominator, so we'll get 48 upon 150. Now we'll compare the numerator. The fraction with the greater numerator will be greater, so 37 upon 150 will be less than 48 upon 150. Clear? Or 37 upon 150 less than 8 upon 25. Clear? Next is addition and subtraction of fractions. Rule number 1. To add or subtract two like fractions, we add and subtract the numerator and the denominator remaining the same. To add or subtract unlike fraction, first we should convert into like fraction and then we'll add or subtract as per rule number 1. Example लेते हैं. Add the following fractions. 6 upon 31 and 8 upon 31. They are like fractions because denominator are same. So simply what we will do? We will add the numerator and write the common denominator below. 6 plus 8 upon 31. So 14 upon 31. That is our answer. Clear? Practice all the examples. Next is exercise 2.1. Fill in the boxes to make the following pairs equivalent fraction. 7 upon 8 equals to 35 upon, we have to find. Okay. So they are equivalent fraction. So here we multiply 7 by 5, so we will get 35. So again we will multiply the denominator with the same number. 8 into 5, that is 40. That is our answer. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiplication of fractions. First is multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Observe the following picture of two circles of the same size. Each circle has 1/4 shaded part. The total shaded part 2 times 1/4 into 2, that is equals to 2/4. Clear? Like 1/4 and 1/4. We will add them together. So that is equals to 2/4. The picture given below represent 3 into 2/8, that is 6/8, and this picture represent 9/9, that is equals to 1. Now we will take example. Multiply 3/10/25. 3/10 को 25 से multiply करना है. So 3/10 into 25. In multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 3 into 25 upon 10. So 3 into 5 upon 2. 5 5s are 3 into 5 upon 2, 15 upon 2. 15 upon 2 is improper fraction, so we'll change into mixed fraction, that is 7 1/2. Clear? For example, Reena had 5 marbles with her. Amit had 4 times of the marble that Reena had. So Amit had 5 into 4, because Reena के पास कितने 5 marbles है and Amit have 4 times of Reena's marbles. So 5 into 4, 20 marbles. If an apple is cut into 2 equal parts, each part is 1/2 of whole. Clear? If 2 apples are divided into 2 equal parts, so each part is 2/4 of 2. 1/2 of 2, that is 1. 1/2 of 2, that is 1/2 into 2, that is equals to 1. If Disha has 20 marbles and Atul has 1/5 of the number of marbles that Disha has, divide 20 into 5 equal parts. So 20 divided by 5, that is 4. So Atul have 4 marbles. So 1/5 or 20, that is 4. So 1/5 into 20, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 24 into 1, 4. Therefore, of represent multiplication. Of का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiplication. Now we'll take an example. Find 7/25 of a liter. As we know, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So 7/25 of a liter, 7/25 into 1000 milliliter, that is equals to 280 milliliter. Clear? Next is exercise 2.2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. 2/3 multiply by 4. Numerator को numerator से multiply करेंगे. 2 into 4 upon 3, that is 8/3. Now there is no common number in 8 and 3 except 1. So it is in lowest form. Improper है, you can change into mixed fraction also. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Look at the following multiplication. 3/4 into 1/2. So 3 into 1 upon 4/2, 3/8. See the figure below. 3/4 of 1/2. So that is equals to 3/8. Shortcut method. When fractions are multiplied, the numerator of the product is the product of numerators and the denominator of the product is the product of denominators. So product of fraction, that is equals to product of numerator upon product of denominator. Means हम numerator को numerator से multiply करेंगे, denominator को denominator से. Know it. The product of two proper fraction is less than each of the two fraction. The product of two improper fraction is greater than each of the two fractions. The product of proper and improper fraction greater than the proper fraction and less than the improper fraction. Now we'll take an example. Find the product. 8/49 multiplied by 7/48. So simply we'll multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 8 into 7/49/48, that is equals to 1/42. Clear? Next is exercise 2.3. Multiply and reduce the lowest form and change the mixed fraction if possible. So we have to multiply 5 by 12 को multiply करना है 9 upon 10. So 5 by 12 multiply by 9 by 10. Clear? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 threes are 9 and 4. So that is equals to 3, 4 twos are 8. That is our product. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is reciprocal of fraction. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. For example, the reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. Similarly, the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5 and that of 1 by 2 is 2. Clear? Next is know it. The reciprocal of proper fraction will be an improper fraction. The reciprocal of improper fraction, that will be proper fraction. Next is division of fraction. First, division of a whole number by a fraction. In order to divide the whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of fraction. Whole number divided by fraction, that is equals to whole number multiplied by reciprocal of the fraction. For example, 1 divided by 1 by 2. So that is equals to 1 multiplied reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. So that is equals to 2. Clear? Next is division of a whole number by a mixed fraction. In order to divide whole number by a mixed fraction, we first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then multiply. So 5 divided by 3, 3 by 4. So this is a mixed fraction. First we will convert into improper fraction. So 5 divided by 15 upon 4. Now that is equals to 5 into reciprocal of the given fraction. 4 by 15 हो जाएगा. So that is equals to 4 by 3. Again 4 by 3 is improper fraction. We will convert it to mixed fraction, that is 1 by 3. Next is division of whole number by a mixed fraction. In order to divide a fraction by non-zero whole number, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. 5 by 7 divided by 6. So 5 by 7 and the reciprocal of 6. So multiply करेंगे, that is 1 by 6. So that is equals to 5 upon 42. Clear? Next is division of a fraction by a fraction. Now we learn how to divide a fraction by another fraction. In order to divide the fraction by a fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. For example, 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. So here what we will do? 1 by 3 multiply by the reciprocal of given fraction. 5 by 6 का reciprocal हो जाएगा 6 by 5, multiply कर देंगे 1 into 6 upon 3 into 5. So that is equals to 2 by 5 lowest form में. Clear? Now we'll take one example here. The product of two fractions is 48. If one of them is 2 by 5, find the other fraction. So product of fraction is 48, one of them is 2 by 5. So another fraction 48 divided by 2 by 5. Mixed fraction है, improper में change करेंगे. 48 divided by 12 by 5. So that is equals to 48 into 5 by 12. That is equals to 20. So another fraction क्या हो जाएगा? 20 upon 1. Next is exercise 2.4. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. So 6 by 5. Reciprocal हो जाएगा 5 by 6. So this is a proper fraction because numerator of the given fraction is less than the denominator. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is decimal numbers. A decimal number has two parts. The part before the decimal is called the whole number part and the part after the decimal point is called the decimal part. For example, whole number part in the given number 73.673 Before the decimal 73 is whole number part, and after the decimal 673, that is the decimal part. So it is read as 73.673. After decimal, we will read the number separately. Next is decimal places. The number of digit contain the decimal part of the decimal given number, it is known as the decimal places. Mean decimal ke baad how many digits are there, that is known as decimal places. For example, 3.29. So after decimal there are 2 digits, so it has 2 decimal places. In 6.347 it has 3 decimal places. Next is like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called the like decimal. For example, 7.289, 4.632, 9.143, all are having 3 digits after decimal, so they are like decimal. Next is know it. Putting any number of 0 to the extreme right of the decimal part of the decimal does not change its value. So extreme right way, we can add as many 0 as we want, that value will not change. Next is unlike decimals. Decimal having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. For example, 2.5, 8.45, 11.367. They are example of unlike decimals. The fraction with the denominator 10, 100, thousands are written in decimal system. 1 by 10, tenths, that is equals to 0.1. There is 1 0 in decimal, so what we will do? In numerator, after 1 digit from the right hand side, we will put the decimal. So that is equals to 0.1. 1 upon 100, 2 zeros, start from the right hand side, and numerator after 2 digit will place the decimal. So there is only 1 digit, so we will add 1 0, 0.01. And 1 upon 1000, that is equals to 0.001. 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 8 upon 1 by 1000, that is written as 245.238. Clear? And the expanded form of 63.478. 63, 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1. After decimal, first place to the 10th ka, then hundreds, then thousands, like this. So first 1 by 10, so 4 by 10 ho jayega, 7 by 100 and 8 by 1000. Clear? It is read as 6 tenths, 3 ones, 4 tenths, 7 hundreds and 8000. Next is comparison of decimal numbers. We first compare the leftmost digit of other digit on the left of the decimal point. If they are different, we can say which number is greater. For example, 36.02 and 35.87. So 36 सबसे पहले decimal से पहले का whole part देखेंगे. So 36 is greater than 35, so we will say 36.02 will be greater than 35.87. Clear? If the digits on the left of the decimal points are same, then compare the 10 digit. For example, 457.42 will be greater than 457.39, because after decimal first digit is 10, here it is 4 and here it is 3. If the 10th digits have the same, we will compare the 100 digits and so on. So 20.36 will be greater than 20.34. Next is addition and subtraction of decimals. To add or subtract, we write the decimals such that this decimal point came exactly one over the other. Then we add and subtract them as the whole number, keeping the decimal point as place. If the number of digits after decimal points are different, we put extra zeros or zeros to make the number of decimal places the same. So we will take an example. We have to add 4.7658, 8.4027 and 7.86 and 6.7. So first we will convert into like decimals. So maximum after decimal there are 4 digits, 4.7658, and we will place it like decimal के नीचे हमेशा decimal आए. 8.4027, 7.86 will add 2 zeros, 6.730. So now we have converted into like decimal. Now we'll add, start from the right hand side. 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry over. 5 plus 2, 7 and 1, 8. 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carry over. 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7, 27. 7, 2 carry over. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 and plus 2, that is 27. 27.7285, that is our answer. Next is exercise 2.5. Which is greater, 1.04 or 1.40? 1.04 and another number is 1.40. So here the whole part is same. So we'll compare the digit at tens place. Here it is 0 and here it's 4. So 4 is greater than 0. So we'll write 1.04 is less than 1.40. So 1.40 is greater than 1.04. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiplication of decimal numbers. Let us begin with the multiplication of 0.1 by 0.1. 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. So we can write 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is equals to 1 upon 100, and that can be written as 0.01. 0.1 occurred 2 times in the product. So 0.1, there is 1 digit to the right of the decimal point. In 0.01 there are 2 digits, 1 plus 1, because दोनों का 1 decimal add हो गया, तो after 2 digit will place the decimal. Clear? To the right of the decimal point. To multiply, proceed as under. Ignore the decimal point and multiply the number. Count the number of decimal places in each number and add these. Start from the right of the product and count the places equal to the total number of places gotten. Step the place of the decimal point. Example लेते हैं. Multiply 0.2 by 0.4. So first we'll ignore the decimal, we multiply the numbers. 2 into 4, that is 8, and there are, after decimal there are 2 digits. So after 2 digit will place the decimal. So we'll write it as 0.08. Clear? Next is know it. When a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, the digit in the product are same as the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by the many places as there are 0 over 1. Means जितने 0 होंगे उसके according decimal point right में shift होगा. Next is exercise 2.6. Multiply 8 by 3.5. So first we'll ignore the decimal. 35 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40. 0, 4 carry over. 8 3s are 24 and 4 28. And after decimal there is 1 digit. Start from the right hand side. 1 digit will place the decimal. So answer क्या हो जाएगा 28. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is division of decimal numbers. First is division of decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. Let us find a pattern for dividing by 10, 100, 1000. It may help us in dividing the number by 10, 100, 1000 in shorter way. We'll take an example. First is divide 8.5 by 10. 8.5 को 10 से divide करना है. So there is 1 0 in the denominator. So we'll shift the decimal point to the 1 place on the left. So that is equals to 0.85. Clear? We can add zeros required to provide places for the decimal point to shift. Like here 0.05 को 10 से divide करना है. 0.05 divided by 10. So there is 1 0 in the decimal. So the decimal point will shift 1 place to the left. There are 2 digit, 1 place और करना है. So we'll place 1 more 0 here. So that is equals to 0.005. Clear? Next, know it. When a decimal number is divided by 10, 100,000, the digit of the quotient is same as the decimal number, but the decimal point in the quotient is shifted to the left as many places there are 0 over 1. Next is division of a decimal number by a whole number. Example लेते हैं, divide 13.988 by 26. So 13.988 को 26 से divide करना, whole number part is 13, that is less than 26. So we'll put 0 in the quotient, and after that decimal s, we'll place the decimal here. Now we'll take these digits, 139. So 26 5s are 130. Subtract करेंगे, we'll get 9. Next number note down करेंगे तो ये जाएगा 98. Then 26 3s are 78. Subtract करेंगे, we will get 20. Next number note down करेंगे 8. 26 8s are 208. Subtract करेंगे 0. So answer is 0.538. Clear? Shortcut. Proceed as with the whole number, but place the decimal point in the quotient directly above or below the decimal point in the dividend. Clear? Next is division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So here we have to divide 30.16 by 5.2. Both are decimal numbers, 30.16 and 5.2. So we have to remove the decimal from the denominator. So for that we will multiply by 10. So the value will not change. So what we will do? We will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. So that is equals to 301.6 upon 52. Now जैसे हमने पहले डिवाइड किया था उसी तरीके से करेंगे. सो कोशेंट विल बी 5.8. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 2.7. फाइंड 0.42 डिवाइड बाय 7. सो 0.42 को डिवाइड करना है 7 से. नाउ फर्स्ट नंबर इज 0, सो विल पुट 0. आफ्टर द डेसिमल तो हम डेसिमल लगा देंगे. देन विल टेक दीज टू डिजिट. 7 6 42. 0. So answer will be 0.6. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. Number in the form a upon b where b is not equals to 0 is called the fraction. A is called the numerator and b is denominator. Product of fraction that is equals to product of numerator upon product of denominator. The fractions are said to be the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. Decimal having the same number of decimal places are called the decimals. Otherwise, they are known as unlike decimal. To add or subtract the decimal number, write the number one below other so that the decimal points are in one vertical line, and then add or subtract. Next is multiple choice questions. Check the right answer. How much less is 4 by 5 of 1/4 than 3 by 4 of 1 by 3? So first we'll find out 4 by 5 of 1 by 4. So that is equals to 1 by 5. Next 3 by 4 of 1 by 3. That is equals to 1 by 4. Clear? Now difference निकालेंगे 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So first we'll take the LCM, that is equals to 20. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 5 into 1 5. 20 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे 4. 4 into 1 4. So that is 1 by 20. So C is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope आप सबको चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have to practice it.